So here we have an ant update. This is I'm starting the 4th month that I've had this colony. So they've expanded from about 2,000 ants to a population of, it's probably 12 to 15,000. So I added extra water test tubes in kind of a junction area here between the two foraging units. As you can see, you have two tubes joining to the foraging units and the nest box, which is back here, which we'll look at in a second. So here's some travel action. A lot more activity on the second tube. Now the good part you've been waiting for is a view of the nest. As you can see, there's been an increase in the population. They've been piling the food. That's all mostly chicken and roaches. I think the roaches got shredded up and put in this pile. Chicken in that pile, hard to tell. I just have stacked test tubes. Have a look at this from the top as well. So you can see they're stashing food in there, and of course hanging out on the walls. Really don't know how many there are anymore, but it's a very successful method of holding a large population of ants. If they're small, as you put about 20 or 30 test tubes with water and cotton plugs, and then just add more chambers as you need to. You get 1,000,000 ants on a table real easy. There you have it. That's Solenopsis. And I think they're pretty happy, pretty well fed. Just as a note here, this container has a mix of water in test tubes as well as a test tube with honey. And you can see that it's spilled because they chewed through the cotton, got the honey all over the place, and it's kind of congealed and dried. And then the top one right here is just water mixed with sugar. They've drained half that in 2 days, so you have high appetite.